Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried salmon. First, let's get our salmon ready. It's crucial to pat your salmon fillets completely dry using paper towels. This helps achieve that perfect crispy skin. Next, season both sides of each fillet generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, you might also want to sprinkle on some garlic powder or a pinch of paprika. These simple steps are key to a fantastic result. Now let's get frying. Heat about 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, in a non-stick or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place your salmon fillets into the pan, skin side down. This initial cook on the skin side is vital for crispiness. Let it cook undisturbed for approximately 4 to 6 minutes, allowing the skin to become golden and crisp. To finish cooking and ensure that amazing crispy skin, flip the salmon fillets over. Cook them on the flesh side for an additional 2 to 4 minutes, depending on their thickness and your desired doneness. The ideal internal temperature for cooked salmon is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, remove the salmon from the pan and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, keeping your salmon moist and flavorful. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly fried salmon. For a bright, fresh finish, garnish each fillet with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped fresh dill or parsley. This salmon pairs wonderfully with simple side dishes, such as roasted asparagus, steamed green beans, or a light green salad. Don't hesitate to experiment with different flavor profiles, perhaps a honey garlic glaze or a spicy sriracha marinade to customize your meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.